Most people only use the power button on their AC remote and ignore the rest. But if you use it properly, you can get better cooling, save electricity, and even make your AC last longer. In this video, I'll show you how to use your LG AC remote step by step. Even if your remote looks a bit different, don't worry, the functions are almost the same. Before starting, make sure your AC has power and your remote has working batteries. Let's start with the basics. Press the power button once to start the AC, and press it again to turn it off.
Next are the temperature buttons. These let you increase or decrease the temperature. For best performance, keep it between 24 and 26 degrees Celsius for cooling and 18 to 20 degrees Celsius for heating. Now the mode button, one of the most important features. Default is auto mode. Press mode button multiple times to switch to a different mode. Cool mode is what you'll use most of the time for normal cooling. Heat mode is used in winter, but only works if your AC supports heating. Monsoon or dry mode removes humidity from the air, which is very useful in rainy or humid weather. Fan mode runs only the fan without cooling, helping with air circulation. Auto mode lets the AC decide everything automatically, but it's not always the most efficient. Next is the fan speed button. This controls how fast air comes out of the AC. High speed cools the room faster, while low speed is quieter and more comfortable. A good tip is to start with high speed, then switch to low once the room is cool. You cannot adjust fan speed in dry and auto modes. Press the Comfort Air button once to direct airflow downward, and press it again to send the air toward the ceiling. This helps avoid direct cold air blowing straight onto your body, making the room feel much more comfortable. Now let's talk about the swing function. This controls the direction of airflow. It can move the air up and down, and in some models, left and right as well. Using swing helps distribute cooling evenly across the room. You may also notice a timer button on your remote, and it's more useful than most people think. It lets you schedule your AC to turn on or off automatically, which is perfect for nighttime or when you don't want it running continuously. Before using the timer, first set the current time on the remote using the up and down setting buttons, then press the set button to confirm. Press the timer button once for timer on, or press it twice for timer off. You can even use both together. To set timer on, press the timer button until on starts blinking on the screen. Adjust the desired start time using the up and down buttons, then press set to confirm. To make the AC turn off automatically, press the timer button until off appears on the display. Choose the time and press set again to save it. And if you ever want to remove a timer setting, simply press the timer button and then the cancel button.
Sleep mode is specially designed for nighttime use. It gradually adjusts the temperature while you sleep, keeping you comfortable and reducing electricity usage at the same time. To turn it on, press the sleep button. Select a time from 1 to 7 hours using the up and down buttons, then press set to confirm. To cancel sleep mode later, press the sleep button again, and then press the cancel button. If the AC beep sound feels annoying at night, press and hold the light button for 3 seconds to mute it. For an even quieter experience, keep the fan speed on the lowest setting. You can also use the light button to turn the indoor unit display light on or off.
There's also a jet mode, which sometimes appears as H capacity button. It pushes the AC to cool or heat the room as quickly as possible. It's great when you walk into a very hot room, but don't leave it on for too long. It automatically turns off after about 20 minutes. Another handy feature is child lock. Just press both temperature buttons together to lock or unlock the remote. Perfect if kids love pressing buttons for no reason. You can also use a wall holder to keep the remote out of reach and avoid the classic "where did the remote go" situation. Want to check the actual room temperature? Just press the room temp button and the remote will show it instantly. Some LG models also include a 5-in-1 or 4-in-1 convertible function that lets you manually control the cooling capacity to save electricity when full power isn't needed. Newer Wi-Fi models may also include AI+, which automatically selects the best settings for comfort and efficiency. Each press changes the AC's cooling performance percentage. Press once for full cooling and maximum comfort. Press twice for 80% power with strong cooling and moderate energy saving. Press a third time for 60% power operation, and press 4 times for 40% power with maximum electricity saving. There's also a function button that cycles through extra features depending on your model. Some functions help remove moisture inside the indoor unit, reduce outdoor unit noise, or filter dust particles from the air. If you want to switch the temperature display between Celsius and Fahrenheit, press the temperature down and mode buttons together for 5 seconds. On some models, this option may be written below a different button instead. Similarly, for smart diagnosis troubleshooting, press and hold the marked button for 5 seconds to send error data to the LG ThinkU app or LG Service Center.
And if your remote ever stops responding properly or the settings get messed up, you can reset it easily by inserting a pin or paperclip into the small reset hole. This restarts the remote and clears temporary glitches or errors. And finally, avoid these common mistakes. Don't always set the temperature to the lowest level for cooling. Don't rely on auto mode all the time. And if you're not using the AC for a long time, remove the batteries from the remote to prevent leakage and damage. Don't forget to clean the air filters. And don't ignore useful features like dry mode and timer. Here's a pro tip. Good insulation, window curtains, and clean filters can significantly reduce your electricity bills and improve cooling performance. Now you know how to properly use your LG AC remote. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AC tips, error fixes, and energy-saving guides.